Welcome back to Turbo Rider, where speed meets innovation. Today, we are diving into one of the most jaw-dropping machines of 2025, the Dodge Tomahawk V10. Originally unveiled as a concept in the early 2000s, the Tomahawk stunned the world with its futuristic design and raw power. Now, 2 decades later, it's back with a vengeance. The 2025 Dodge Tomahawk V10 isn't just a bike, it's a statement, a bold, terrifying, and exhilarating piece of engineering that blurs the line between motorcycle and supercar. Design. The 2025 Tomahawk retains its iconic 4-wheel configuration, making it instantly recognizable. Its aggressive stance, low-slung body, and minimalistic fairing scream performance. Aerodynamics have been completely reworked, incorporating active flaps and carbon fiber elements that adjust in real time based on speed and lean angle. The bike's LED lighting, angular contours, and menacing front fascia give it the appearance of something straight out of a sci-fi film. Heart of a Viper. Underneath that wild exterior lies the soul of the beast, an 8.3-liter V10 engine borrowed and modified from the legendary Dodge Viper. This power plant produces an unbelievable 500 horsepower, giving the Tomahawk the potential to hit top speeds in excess of 400 miles per hour, at least in theory. While actual riding at those speeds is purely speculative, the acceleration and torque are more than enough to scare even the most seasoned riders. The 2025 model also features updated fuel injection, better thermal management, and electronic control systems to tame the raw output. Handling 4 wheels of fury. Unlike conventional motorcycles, the Tomahawk's 4-wheel design delivers added stability. Each pair of wheels is closely mounted, allowing it to lean like a traditional bike while providing the grip and balance of a performance car. The suspension system has been upgraded to include adaptive dampers and electronic ride height adjustment. Steering, braking, and traction systems have also been enhanced, giving the rider more control over this monstrous machine. Technology and rider aids. Despite its mechanical savagery, the 2025 Dodge Tomahawk isn't lacking in modern tech. It comes equipped with a customizable digital dashboard, launch control, multiple riding modes, and advanced telemetry systems. Traction control and ABS have been fine-tuned for the Tomahawk's unique geometry, and an integrated AI-based safety system constantly monitors rider input and road conditions to deliver optimal performance without compromising safety. Price and availability. This isn't a bike you'll find at your local dealership. The 2025 Dodge Tomahawk is being produced in extremely limited numbers, with a price tag estimated at over $600,000. It's more of a collector's piece or a tech demonstrator than a daily rider, a symbol of what's possible when engineers are given complete creative freedom. Conclusion. The 2025 Dodge Tomahawk V10 is a marvel of design, performance, and